Hi, let's make a quick ayamase. So in a pot, put some palm oil and bleach it for like 10 minutes. In the bleached palm oil, put some onions and iru and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Get in the oven the greens you want to use and bake it for like few minutes, till about 20 minutes, and then blend it and strain it. Blend it not so smooth because that's the texture for ayamase. By doing that, it will take little time to fry it. Then fry it for like 5-10 minutes, then add your protein of choice. For mine, I'm just using smoked turkey because this is a very quick food. And then I'm adding boiled egg as well because ayamase is incomplete without boiled egg. So that's it. I'll leave it to put some seasoning of choice. Put your seasoning and then leave it for like few minutes. As you can see, it's dried already. I like ayamase to be very dried. I don't like it to be watery. So anything I need to do to make it very dry is what I do. And that is what I just did to strain some of the water out. If you want to make ayamase and you don't want to spend all of the time frying it, the option is to strain the water out. And then what I did is to add some raw pepper because I like it to be very spicy, while everybody else in my family don't like a spicy one, so I can't bite the pepper when I'm eating. So that's it. As it is, the ayamase is ready, and you can eat this ayamase with any rice of choice. You can use basmati, you can use ayamase ofada rice itself, but I haven't got ofada rice, so I have basmati rice, which I've boiled to make it very fluffy because I know it will go together, and that's it. Because this is very fried, it's very dried, a little goes a long way. So that's a big bowl of rice, but a little sauce, a little of the ayamase is enough to cover it all. And that's my pepper that I'm going to eat. So I hope you're going to try this method, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.